Come on, Chef. Where you at?
I'm gonna push the pole door. Chef Mark.
Hey.
I found you, man.
All right, all right.
How you doing?
Good, good.
So this is my buddy David
Nice to
St.
meet
Romain.
you.
Good to meet you, Chef Mark.
We went out crabbing and catching and pulling up some oysters yesterday.
Oh, you
we
got
went
my
fishing
favorite.
today.
Man, it's been
I brought you the spoils.
I see you got my favorite right here.
Yeah?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, I'm good. I want you to do something special with those.
Yeah, I'm gonna eat them. That's
Okay.
pretty.
Well, as long as we get to
special.
eat some too, that I'm all
We'll
right
join
with that.
Yeah, yeah.
And look, we got some speckled trout fillets,
All right.
and we got some red snapper. Might have caught a couple flounder too. So you
We
might,
got some.
I hear you have a flounder preparation
Yeah,
that I
yeah.
need to try.
Oh, man, I can't wait for that.
It covers all 4 food groups: crawfish, shrimp, crabs, and fish.
Oh, that's the best kind.
Speaking my language.
What we normally do is on these we follow this black line where it makes the curve. We don't make the curve. We just continue
Go straight.
Yeah. And you see right here, we're ready to go. They have a lot of small bones here,
Yeah.
so we don't get into them. But
And the Department of Wildlife and Fisheries has that catch and cook program. So people like me that come down and recreationally fish
Yeah.
can actually bring you
Yeah.
what they catch and you can cook it for them.
Yes, we'll fix them up however
Yeah.
they want it.
Hurricane Hole, I mean, it's a beautiful restaurant.
Yes.
How many years has this been open?
Oh, it's been here over 20 years.
Wow.
Yeah, the owner Don, this is his pride and joy.
Yeah.
And it's just like the apple of his eye, and he really likes coming here. He comes here just about every weekend.
Yeah.
So we see him about every weekend.
Oh, that's
Yeah,
cool.
Yeah.
I'm looking forward to coming back and eating all this great fish that you're going to cook up for us. I think we're going to get home and take a shower.
I know, and get ready. And
Drink a beer or two, and then
Yeah.
I'm going to come back and check out your bar.
Yeah.
And we're going to feed our whole film crew tonight.
Yeah, yeah.
We're going to let you do that. I get to
Also
take the
made,
night off.
we do a special bread pudding, and I make the bread pudding, and
Oh, wow.
yeah, a lot of people don't even know what bread pudding is, but it's really good, and I'm gonna have some of that for y'all tonight also.
Awesome.
I'm
Looking
into
forward
that.
to it.
Yeah.
Into that. Chef,
right. All righty.
appreciate you. We'll see you
Sure.
in a few hours.
All right,
Thank you,
sounds
Chef.
great.
Appreciate you.
All right,
right.
we'll get out of your hair.